Yes, this is major history, and I would like to speak on current events as far as crime situation here in Philadelphia, PA, and some interesting and troubling developments have been occurring in that sector lately. District Attorney, our District Attorney Larry Krasner has compiled some interesting statistics regarding the crime situation. According to his figures, most crime is significantly down compared to last year, and particularly the homicide rate, and as well as crime in other areas like burglaries and so forth. There's been an uptick in one particular area, very disturbing. Last several months, 3 months, had three tow truck drivers were mysteriously uh, murdered on the streets of Philadelphia, and so far there have been no suspects or no motive has been discerned as of yet. These tow truck drivers were working for one particular company, which I won't mention at this time. In the last incident, a young man, 25-year-old, was shot, um, lost his life, and his companion, his girlfriend, was also shot but survived, but suffered serious injury. A lot of speculation has been going on in the media and amongst public officials as to the motives behind these shootings. Some police officials have speculated that it might be the result of a turf war amongst the competing tow truck companies over territory and the acquisition of vehicles in each other's territory. And there's another theory being bandied about that the tow truck drivers had towed a vehicle of value to the owner, which caused the owner to take revenge upon a tow truck company. Personally, I believe that this may not be a turf or territorial war, because if it was so, you may have seen resultant casualties on 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 another tow truck company besides the one that has been targeted. So far, it's only been one tow truck company that has been targeted and have their employees killed tragically. So I believe the other theory has more traction, that something of value may have been taken from the owner of one of the cars uh, that the drivers from the tow truck company had towed. And as I mentioned at the onset, that so far has been no arrests and no motives uh, established between these three incidents. However, I think one or two vehicles may have been identified as suspect cars, but I do not believe that, as far as I know, license plate number has been established for the suspect cars. So, while there may be a decrease in crime in some areas, uh, the incidents underline the fact that this city has a long way to go in establishing safe streets, especially for tow truck drivers in the city. And hopefully, this cases will be successfully resolved in the near future. Thank you.